Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. I thought I saw that snow. I'm like, how did that get there?
Right. Okay, what's your next clue?
So, started right. This is this, right? The building?
Keep moving.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
The berry?
No.
Like, I'm thinking over there.
You're thinking wrong. Do my. You're going way off track at this point.
I am?
Yeah.
Why is there a big track there then?
Jeff walked around out there.
What? Jeff did?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there it is.
Come on, Dakota. You gonna jump?